kalatvlive. Kalatvlive machiegni pacho. Ma e odwa. Ineno kalatvlive. Kalatvlive machiegni pacho.
Nukta boro mbanino kengo emigepe kanda koda nyandhogo eko mag tije mopogore kabende moko migepe mbele na yudo siem enten migawo mochung'ne wechego eko mag somo e pacho kaendi ten migawo mochung'ne wechego eko mag thieth mabende osebedo ka themba nyakona mwajwang' kanyakla wechego eko mag ohala e pacho kaendi bade owacho ni piny owacho margi keto omenda makore lach mabiro neno ni osir wechego eko mag gedo mag apaya e pacho kaendi chwalo chenrogo eko mag gedogo eko mag utego eko manengogi olore.
We will settle the balance of the bills that are owed under the defunct National Hospital Insurance Fund and which span over the years. Mr. Speaker, this allocation is specifically designated. Our development budget, while growing, cannot close that gap alone. The era of financing every road, every power line, and every dam through government borrowing and taxation is over. Not because we lack ambitions, but because we have learned from the consequences of that model. Debt finance infrastructure is being built with Kenyan capital by Kenyan workers and for the Kenyan people. Mr. Speaker, beyond the Rironi Nakuru Mau Summit project, the government will continue executing an ambitious infrastructure development plan through the National Infrastructure Fund. The fund will leverage on resources from 7% in 2024. This growth was supported by positive growth in all the sectors. All the sectors of the economy at least registered positive growth. The outlook for 2026 has been revised downwards, however, to 5% from the earlier projection of 5.3%, reflecting the adverse impact of the ongoing conflict. The government has deployed targeted stabilization measures to cushion consumers from the full impact of rising global fuel prices. These interventions include use of resources in the Petroleum Development Levy Fund to subsidize the fuel pump prices. And in addition, the government lowered the VAT rate on petroleum production. Products for 3 months from
tuko pale pamoja, tunatembea pamoja. Sisi tunasema kama vile baba yetu, mzee wetu, kiongozi wetu Oburu wanasema tunataka power. Nataka nini? Power. Nataka nini? Tunataka nini? Sasa kama tunataka power, ni lazima tuwe pale. Ndugu zangu, huchoka. Tumekuwa ndani ya opposition kwa muda mrefu. Sasa ni wakati wetu sisi kuwa na kuenjoy tukiwa ndani ya serikali. Kweli urongo?
Sedoke chinbolo jite. Nikech wan muonge gi ndara mwana rubi ni elam waneno gweng'waka. To onge kor gweng' modhiye kagima wanne waonge jotelo. Wasayo ni mondo this time round wabedie koda gik mabeyo madikelnwa dongruok. Miyo ka ng'ato dwaro ni mondo odwaro mbulu, wayie ne ng'ata mondo tok yanyruok.
Kendo ko dwar ni yawuoto mochung' yanyore pap nade to wane wego mbulu. The former governor Ogudu Morangumu ne waero kendo wa respect nyaka kawuono.
Maen kwa mano gol kod jalar kom governor e county ma Kisumu migosi Ken Obura e kinde mano chope kar chung'or bura maseme mar jiwo grube mag joma mine.
Wadwano wakwa jodong.
Mar jiwo grube mag joma mine.
Wadwano wakwa jodong. Ni ng'ato en campaign mitimo gi muolo. Ibiri wacho gibedhe temo. Nikech jogi karomo next year kose majo mimayo to ming'ato achiel jogo te adwano bi wabed go piny.
Eyo mawinjore.
Mar governor no abiro dwaro mar president. Wakaluoka ne poko ne minister mar finance wan go kuzuovu mana die attorney general omiyo jomo somo chike ka wan kenu bura gen dongo omiyo attorney general dongo omiyo minister mar stima ka wan gi PS mar interior
ni en okang' mar yawo tije mopogore opogore ne oganda ne. Owacho ni en weche go maketo ohala yo nero makare anya to ohala go mabende time kind pinje ariyo.
Today, that friendship enters a more practical phase, a relationship measured not only Africa, as you know, is endowed with abundant natural resources and energy. We possess 2/3 of the world's remaining arable land, and we are home to the youngest population on earth, a generation that is not just a workforce, but also a market. The world cannot solve its challenges of food, energy, climate, or growth without Africa at the table. And by the way, Kenya is the gateway to that Africa. So when Finnish, and by extension European companies look at Kenya, I ask you to see beyond